again. It is me, Frau Inge. And today I am going to be doing the troll time for Refashionista Sheri. So let's just get right into it. Okay, today we have here ein Kommentar von Laverne. And Laverne says, just like some people should not wear biker shorts, some people should not craft. I am not sure how to respond to that, because Refashionista Sheri, to date, she has shared over 1,600 free tutorials and pre-love style inspiration on her blog, and even more on her channel. So I'm thinking that she can craft, she can sew, she can do whatever the hell she wants. But even more disturbing to me is the fact that Laverne is writing that people should not wear biker shorts. Some people. Why not? If you want to wear biker shorts, wear biker shorts. Und was ist biker shorts? Vielleicht she is meaning bike shorts? Because for me, biker shorts, that would be like little leather shorts that a Harley man might wear. What do you think? Is that what she meant? Did she mean leather shorts on a motorcycle, on a biker shorts? Or did she mean bike shorts? I am not sure. But once again, we have another comment from someone who is thinking that their opinion is so important, especially their negative opinion must be shared online and directed to someone who is simply trying to put some positivity and share a upcycling tutorial. So I am at a loss. I do not understand what is the problem for the people who are doing this. If you are a troll person, let me know down below. Was is in dein Kopf? Was is in your head when you do this, that you are thinking, oh, everybody must be knowing I am so sad in my little tiny life. I am wanting to spread the negativity. But yeah, if you want more tutorials, as I said, on Sheri's blog, she has over 1,600. She has been sharing since about 2011, when she was living in Berlin. She started her blog and then moved on to her channel. And so she is always full of ideas and sharing for free with everybody, regardless of what they think of her. So let's hope maybe people can start being a little bit more appreciative, and a thank you definitely goes a long way. You know, vielen lieben Dank and all of that. It's just why again, if you have an answer for me why people are doing this, please do let me know down below, because I don't understand, and I will never understand why negativity must be spread far and wide. I don't understand. Be a little bit more positive. Spread some sunshine, okay? Okay. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and Refashionista Sheri will catch you on the zigzag. Okay.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.